In this video, I am going to discuss about decision theory. So first of all, let us have a look what is decision theory. So it is a statistical tool or technique which is used to select the best way of doing any work. So for doing any work, we will be having some alternatives or some plans. So that best plan we can select by using a decision theory. So it helps in making a best decision by subtracting the useless alternatives. Means useless methods we can eliminate by using this. Generally, decision theory is divided into two types: decision making maximin or minimax, maximin or minimin, minima max regret, Laplace method, and Hervey's method. Hervey's and BBIT is decision making under risk. So it is also divided into two types: accepted monetary value (EMV) and accepted opportunity loss (EOL). So now let us have a look on problem a bit decision theory. So first method is criterion of optimism, maximax criterion. So this method is divided into two parts actually. This word maxi max. So this is same as game theory, but we have to come from backward onwards first of all. So I divided into two parts. So first from back side, first I am going to find maximum value, and from those from those values, second bit maximum value we are going to select. So this is an S1, S2, S3 are the uh, strategies or steps or alternatives, n1, n2 or some values. So here we have payoff matrix and then payoff matrix. So from each and every row we selected maximum value. So from first row, what is the maximum value? 1500. From second row, maximum value 3750. From third row, maximum value 4750. So like this we are selected all the maximum values from each and every row. So step 1 is completed, maximum. So what is the step 2? So from maximum values we have to select the maximum value. So here we obtained a maximum value. So from those maximum value, the maximum value is 4750. So this is the best alternative or best strategy for the given problem. This is called max criterion. And next, BBT is mini min criterion. Here we have payoff matrix, same payoff matrix we took. So here it is divided into two parts. Okay, so from last I'm going to start. This is first time and this is for the second time, step 2, step 1 and step 2. So what is this? According to mini-min criterion, we have to come from backward side. So we have to select minimum value from each and every payoff matrix. From first row minimum value is 0, second row minimum value is 250, third row minimum value is minus 500, and fourth row minimum value is minus 1250. Minus 1250. So step 1 is completed. So after doing last step, again from minimum values we have to select the minimum value. So from these values, minimum value is minus 1250. So therefore we can say that S4 is the strategy, 4 is the best strategy. Next step, next method called criterion of pessimism or Wald criterion. So in that first bit is maxi-min criterion. Maxi-min. If condition is starting from maxi-min, then we have to identify that it as an remember it as an payoff matrix. So suppose if it is an some 4 by 4 matrix, this is an payoff matrix. So according to this method, we are divided into two parts. We have to start from back side onwards. So first we have to do minimum value. We have to find out from each and every row minimum value. So from first row it is 0, from second row it is 250, from third row minus 500, and fourth row minus 1250. So after finding minimum value, next we have to go to step 2 called maximum. So whatever we found some minimum values from that maximum value, so it is 250. So S2 is the best strategy or best plan. Next, BBIT. minimax criterion. So in this minimax criterion, we took here same payoff matrix, and again we have to start from back. That is, first we have to find out from each and every row maximum value, and then from those maximum values we have to find out minimum value. Similarly, we found each and every row maximum values. From that minimum value is 1000. So strategy 1 is selected. Next, third method is minimax regret criterion. So minimax regret criterion. So from this, maximization and minimization, two methods will be there. So in that formula is a regret table, we have to find out maximum payoff matrix minus payoff. That is called minimax method. Suppose if we are subtracting cost minus minimum cost, that is called criterion method. So let us have a look. First method is maximization problem. If we are doing maximization problem, then that matrix is called as an payoff matrix. So this is, here I took 4x4 matrix, same. So here to find out regret table, first of all you have to find out regret table by using the formula called maximum payoff minus payoff. Suppose if I took first column, for example, let us see. So suppose if I took first column, so column wise we have to do here. So what is the maximum payoff here? Maximum value is 1000. We have to subtract each and every value 1000 with in that column, like that. For example, 1000 minus 1000, 0. 1000 minus 250, 750. See here, 1000 minus 1000, 0. 1000 minus 250, 750. 1000 minus, so minus 500, that is 1500. So 1500. So like that, each and every row is, column is subtracted with its highest value. And then after finding out regret table, so this is our regret table. So according to our question, what we have to find out, if it is in maximization type, minimax criteria we have to find out, means divided this word into two parts. Maximum, first of all we have to come from backward side. So we have to find out maximum value from each and every row. So first row maximum value is 4750, second row maximum value is 1750, third row maximum value is 1500, fourth row maximum value is 2250. So step 2, what we have to do, minimum value. So select the minimum value from all these. 1500 is the best, means it corresponds to strategy 3. Alternative S3 is the best alternative for finding, for doing an or making an decision. And the next B bit, for doing B bit, so this is the matrix, same matrix I took. If we are doing minimization, then we have to say it is an cost matrix. So to find out regret table formula, RT is equal to cost minus minimum cost. So cost minus minimum cost. So what is the minimum cost?